In this video, we're going to get familiar with using function notation. So in my example here, it says use the graph of the following f of x to find each value. Notice that f of x, what we have here in parentheses, is my x. So on part A, when I have f of 3, what they are telling me is that my x coordinate is 3. So I'm going to come over here to my graph, and along my x coordinate, I'm going to go to 3. And I need to meet my graph. I have no graph below, so what I'm going to do is go up. And here is my graph. And then what is that y value? It's 1. So this equals 1. We don't really need it for this, but just so you're aware, this is representing an ordered pair. You have f of 3 equals 1. So your x coordinate is 3, and whatever it equals is your y. So this would be the ordered pair 1, 3. Just kidding. 3, 1. Right? 3 for your x, 1 for your y, 3, 1. This one is similar. You have 4 times f of -2. So what they're telling you is that your x equals -2. So I'm going to come along here to my x, when x is 2, and this time I have no graph above it, so we're going to go down. Here's where my graph is, and so what is that y coordinate? That corresponds when x is -2, and that also happens to be -2. Now we're multiplying this by 4, so this is 4 times -2, because that's what my y coordinate was. And so this answer here is -8. Now C and D are telling me something different. Now they say f of x equals -3. So what they're telling me is that my y is -3. Just like up here when they have f of 3 equals 1, whatever this equals is my y coordinate. So they're telling me my y is -3. I have to find my x coordinate with that ordered pair. So now I'm going to go along here to my y. Y is 3, -3. I have no graph to the right, so I'm going to go to the left. And here is my graph. And so what is that y coordinate, or that x coordinate? And that x coordinate is -1. So here x equals -1. If I wanted to write that in function notation, we would do f of -1 equals -3. That tells me the ordered pair -1, -3. D is the exact same. F of x equals 1. So what they're telling me is that my y equals 1. Find my x. So I'll go along my y. When y is 1, what is my x coordinate? Here we can go to the left to meet that graph. And that x coordinate is -5. But I can also come here, and we've already did this one backwards. I can also go to the right to meet my graph. And my x coordinate is also 3. So this one has 2 answers.